All rise. Superior Court of the United States. Honorable Judge Aragon.
Order in the court. Be seated for the trial of the people versus the Trump administration. As is to my current knowledge, the court has received all evidence from both sides.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, now may the counsel present their opening argument.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this case of morality, our client accused of things he supposedly did, such as have the Russians hack the election, threatening to build a wall, also obstruction of justice. Also, the witness will be calling to the stand today will be President Donald Trump.
No, okay, now may the prosecution come up and present their opening statement. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this case of morality is against the accused of things he did during and after the election. The witness you will be hearing from today is Michael Cohen. Okay, now that we are finished with our opening statements, counsel, you may present your argument and evidence to the jury.
Thank you, Your Honor. Fine people of the jury, prosecution argues that our president has intentionally done unmoral things, but the president always thought he was acting in the best interest for our country. Therefore, we cannot say that he was purposely acting to hurt America. Your Honor, we would like to enter the Mueller report into the evidence report.
Okay, the Mueller report may be officially examined as evidence in the evidence report. You may now continue with your argument.
Now that the report is in the evidence file, I would like to show you that it says that the president did not purposefully have the Russians hack the election. Therefore, the president cannot be found guilty of charges put against him because he had never ordered the Russians to help him in the election, because all of the charges put against him should be dropped, because the charge that the president told the Russians to hack the election, and because that is not true, all charges afterward are not valid, Your Honor. I hereby yield the rest of my time.
Okay, now that counsel has yielded the rest of their time, prosecution, you may now present your argument to the jury against the accused. Thank you, Your Honor. Fine people of the jury, because the prosecution entered the Mueller report into the evidence file, I would like to show you that it says the president did purposefully obstruct justice, which is an impeachable offense. Also, Mr. Trump has threatened to stop asylum seekers from coming into America, also building a wall that would cost millions of taxpayers' dollars and would still be very inefficient in keeping out all of the illegal immigrants. Your Honor, may we now move on to the examination of the witness? Yes, I think that is now in order. Defense, you may now call up your first witness. Thank you, Your Honor. The first witness we would like to call up is the Honorable President Trump.
Mr. President, would you prefer to be sworn in by Holy Book or by other means?
The Holy Book would burn me, so other means.
Place your hand on your heart. Now, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear to tell the truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God. So help me God!
Mr. Trump, was it your purpose to undermine the people of America during or after your campaign to become president?
No, it was not my purpose to undermine America in anything I did not or after my campaign.
Did you purposefully ask the Russians to hack the election?
No, I did not ask the Russians to hack the election. I did not.
That is all the questions I have, Your Honor. Okay, Prosecution, you may now cross-examine the witness. Mr. President, is it true that during your campaign to become president, people involved in your campaign met with the Russians to talk about hacked emails?
No, it's not true. Not true, Your Honor. I'm deeply offended.
Really? Then why does the Mueller report state that people in your campaign met with Russians over this exact matter?
I don't know. They're liars. Liars.
Did you know that the report also states that you ordered some of the people in your campaign to talk to the Russians yourselves?
I did not. I did not, Your Honor.
No further questions, Your Honor. Prosecution, you may now call up your witness.
The witness we are calling to the stand today will be Michael Cohen, testifying against Mr. Trump.
Would you prefer to be sworn in by the Holy Book or by other means?
The Holy Book, please.
Place your hand on the book. Now, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help me God?
I swear to tell the truth, and nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Mr. Cohen, is it correct that Mr. Trump told you to lie to Congress?
Yes, that is true.
Is it also true you did this but later admitted to it and told the truth to Congress?
Yes, that is also true.
So it would not be far from the truth to say that you've proved yourself a credible witness, while Mr. Trump has proven himself unreliable.
Yes, that would not be far from the truth.
Okay, now that we have established that, is it true that you know about multiple times Mr. Trump has told you to obstruct justice or obstruct justice himself?
Yes, that is true.
Your Honor, no further questions.
Okay, counsel may now cross-examine the witness if they wish.
No questions, Your Honor.
Okay, now I think it is time for closing statements to be had. Counsel, you may go first, then prosecution, and then the jury shall decide whether or not the accused is guilty. Counsel, you may come up. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, considering the evidence provided, along with the fact that Michael Cohen has lied to Congress, I think that our client has not been proven guilty beyond a shadow of a doubt. The evidence before also shows that the accused was not guilty of the first charge against him. Your Honor, I have nothing further to contribute to this matter. Okay, I think it is time for prosecution to present their closing statements.
Fine people of the jury, with the evidence put together today, coupled with the facts of morality, the prosecution thinks that the accused is guilty of all the crimes put forward, and possibly even more. The fact that he did not know that people involved in this campaign met with Russians means that he is most likely very forgetful and not a credible witness to get a testimony from the prosecution. Has no more to add on this subject.
Okay, I think it is time for the jury to decide whether or not the accused is guilty. Can you please read the verdict you have given the accused?
Your Honor, we find the accused guilty of all charges put forward against him. In particular, we find him guilty of immoral acts